Vintage fan collector 1939. Here is a update video on my 1950 GE vortalex 12-inch oscillating table fan. This fan, I showed it in the vintage fan startups video. It does, that video came out really well, so it's got a lot of views, so I'm glad people like it. This one, I showed this one, I believe I mentioned it got rewired. I did rewire it with the really nice vintage wire and supply company wire. So here it is. That's some really nice looking wire. I picked this color wire because I think it matches the color of the fan really good. The main reason I rewired it was because of the head wire. This head wire was in really bad condition when I got it. Like the insulation on the outside that was covering the wires was really badly frayed. So I had to replace that wire. I actually rewired this a few months ago. So here it is. That way I can safely run this fan without it exploding. Here's the vortalex cap. And here's the nameplate. General Electric. FM12V43. 110, 120 volts, 60 cycle, 1.1 amps. Made in USA. General Electric. What a cool nameplate. Let's go ahead and start this fan up. We'll go to amps. I have to straighten this up just a little bit. There we go. Look at that red and silver GE badge. Just how cool is that? Vortalex. These vortalexes are just a work of art. They really don't make them like this anymore. You can't get cool fans like this anymore. But these still today are just really cool. Some people that have these just have them sitting on a shelf, just not being used. All my fans in my room in here, they're sitting on a shelf, but I use them. I don't just let them sit there. Because think about all the lubrication in there just not moving at all. So the fan I have running behind me is this 1980s spring air fan, or maybe 70s spring air. I have it going on medium right now. It's doing a pretty nice job moving the air around. I don't want to say keeping me cool, because fans don't cool the air like air conditioning, as we all know. Fans just move the air, as we all know. Now, I have never been to a fan meet before, which I wish I could go to a fan meet soon. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I've been in the AFCA for a while now, and that's been really cool. I have gotten some magazines already. And it looks like you can have a lot of fun at a fan meet. And let's go ahead and turn this fan on. I believe I showed the voltage. Yeah. Let's go ahead and turn this fan off back here. I turned this fan off back here. And I turned it off because I wanted y'all to hear the fan starting up the GE fan. There's that. Let's go to high so you could hear the startup a little bit better. You can hear the startup good. That is just awesome. I need to be careful. The tripod legs keep hitting this cage when I move the tripod. Let's go all the way over here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. That is all the way back. I'm sitting like right by this awesome Hasek fan because that vortalex is blowing the air all the way over here, and it's really nice. It's just insane how powerful these are. Let's go to medium. Well, we have for the amps 1.175, 1.164 goes down sometimes. I need to be careful. Let's go to medium. As I think everyone knows about the vortalex, these fans have a speed coil in the base for medium and low speed. High is just power straight to the motor. We have 1.095 amps on medium. This is pretty quiet. I'm gonna go all the way back there, see how much air we feel. Whoa. That's a lot here. Moving a lot of air still. Let's go to low now. I hope you can hear that. This one is super quiet. I haven't even showed the oscillation yet. Maybe we'll go to high. .993 amps. We'll go back to high and we'll do the oscillation. Or maybe we can do it now. Do the oscillation now. Y'all probably all know how to engage a GE oscillator. You just turn this knob up here until it tightens up. My 12-inch, my other 12-inch vortalex, when it oscillates to here, it stops. This little bell just sags on my other vortalex. And that's why I don't run it. I just use it as a display piece. But now we'll go to medium and then we'll go to high. There's medium. There's high. Man, that's smooth. We'll go to stationary and then we'll go to off. Let's go to off. All right. Well, that's a very nice fan. Anyway, like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.